Now, your forecast first. Sponsored by Matex Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing.
All right, to look at the Storm Tracker Doppler tonight, and things look pretty good. We had some showers and storms earlier, those fading away here tonight. Won't be surprised if there's still an isolated shower or storm that could still kind of develop out there, but most locations are going to remain dry. Temperatures are in the mid and upper 70s. Still an 80 showing up from Lincoln and Watsika. Should be a calm start to the morning coming up tomorrow. We have additional storms we are forecasting again on Saturday. We've been through this 100 times, it seems like, and we'll do it again tomorrow. Talk about a drier forecast for the second half of your weekend when we come back. WCIA 3 News starts right now.
Now on WCIA 3 News.
3 people are hurt in a plane crash. I'll have the latest.
Public health officials want your kids to be vaccinated, so they're making it easier for parents who can't afford them. A split-second decision can change everything. How conservation police are fighting to keep you from becoming a statistic.
You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 10.
Rescue crews raced to a small town this afternoon where a plane went down in a farm field. Good evening, I'm Jessica Coons. Paul is off tonight. 3 people were hurt in that crash. This happened near Shabans. That's in Iroquois County, about an hour north of Champaign. WCIA 3's Jen Lask is live at the scene tonight. So Jen, what's going on there at this point?
At this point, the plane is still out in the field, and it will be there overnight, and members of the Shabans Township Fire Protection District will be taking turns sitting out here all night, keeping an eye on the plane. Now, this crash happened around 2 o'clock this afternoon. The Iroquois County Sheriff's Office says it was a single-engine plane, and 3 people were inside. They were taken to nearby hospitals, and the Sheriff's Office doesn't know the extent of their injuries at this time. Now, again, I mentioned that this plane will be out here throughout the night, as will those crews. That is because the FAA and the NTSB will be coming out here in the morning to investigate what caused this plane crash. Reporting live in Iroquois County, Jen Lask, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, and as soon as you get any updates, please let us know, Jen. Thanks so much. 2 state troopers were hurt, and a Peoria man now faces several charges after a traffic stop. It happened on I-74 near Goodfield. State police searched 31-year-old Damian Grant's car. Troopers found a loaded gun. When police tried to arrest him, they say Grant started to fight them and attempted to disarm the troopers. They used a taser, and Grant was taken into custody. He and the troopers were all taken to the hospital. They have since been released. State police are busy this month enforcing some new laws. Just this week, they had to prepare for texting and driving to become a moving violation. Director Brendan Kelly says distracted driving is at the heart of most accidents. He says troopers will be enforcing this new law aggressively. Stiffer punishments for violating Scott's law were also put into place this year.
And this year, we have increased issuing of citations for violations of the move over law by 750%. So it's moving in the right direction. I think there is an awareness that's occurring. I've seen it personally, driving down the interstate behind people. There's a trooper on the horizon. People are getting over. They're using their blinkers. Truckers are being more conscientious of it, but we do have a long way to go.
Director Kelly is sharing a Scott's Law task force with other first responders and lawmakers. We have a follow-up on the death of a 1-year-old in Champaign. DCFS confirms they have a history with the toddler's family. Police say Lauren Brown died after she was shot in the chest with a pellet gun. Champaign police have said they are investigating, but their preliminary evidence suggests it was a tragic accident. DCFS says they had 3 visits with the family since 2017. Those were about accusations of neglect. The coroner confirms an inquest may be held at a later date. A pillar in the Vermilion County community died this morning. He leaves behind quite a legacy. Julius Hegler was a Millikan University grad, a former pilot in the Korean War, and continuously gave his time and money to the community he lived in. Most notably, he donated around $6 million to Danville Area Community College. He also donated to Danville Public Schools, the Vermilion County War Museum, the Balloons Over Vermilion Festival, and much more. Even though he's gone, he certainly won't be forgotten.
He's pretty much laid the groundwork for success in this community like we've never seen before. I mean, the whole revitalization of the downtown area, where the cornerstone is this Fisher Theater, where he's worked with a lot of community people to build that up.
The Danville School Foundation created a scholarship fund dedicated to Hegler. Anyone interested in donating can contact them. The state is doing something to make vaccines more accessible for low-income children. WCIA 3's Jennifer Jensen is here with more. So Jennifer, talk us through how this is being done.
Jessica, the state is joining together two healthcare programs aiming at lowering the cost of vaccines. The Vaccines for Children program and the Children's Health Insurance Plan, or CHIP, are now working together to make vaccines available for kids covered under the plan. The Department of Public Health says this is for kids covered under CHIP through the Vaccines for Children program. The Illinois Department of Public Health director says the U.S. is seeing the greatest number of measles cases since 1992. Despite the fact that measles was declared eliminated in 2000. Vaccine is the safest and most effective way to prevent measles cases and outbreaks. And the state has made it clear they're doing this with one goal in mind, to make sure 100% of children in Illinois get vaccinated. Jessica.
All right, Jennifer, thanks so much. CHIP is a partnership between the federal and state governments that provides low-cost health coverage to kids and families that earn too much money to qualify for Medicaid. The VFC program is a federally funded program. It provides vaccines for children whose parents or guardians may not be able to afford them. We have an update from Vermilion County for you tonight. The barricades around Collins Tower in Danville will be staying for a while. The Public Works Department put them up on Monday after part of the building's facade collapsed on Sunday. A private structural engineer has declared the tower a dangerous structure, and they're looking into a more permanent placement of netting to catch any falling debris. The mayor originally gave the building owners until the end of this month to enact safety measures, but said at City Council that timeline is now likely accelerated. We have new details on the future of a Champaign bar. The owner of Cam's has filed for a building permit. It's near First and Green, where Domino's used to be. The permits were filed last week. The city is now reviewing them. We spoke to owner Scott Cochran. He says he should be able to share more details next week. He took over Cam's last year. The bar has been at 6th and Daniel for decades. A Westville woman says she paid to have 2 trees cut down in March, but it still hasn't happened. Jenny Borello says she paid $1,200 on March 22nd. She says they told her they'd do it on March 23rd or 24th. Borello paid in advance because she wouldn't be home on those days. She says the company is now ignoring her phone calls and have yet to remove the trees.
I think it's very unfair that they are doing that since they agreed to get it done in a timely manner. I went with them because they agreed to do it so quickly. And now they don't want to do it. They got my money. They don't want to do the job.
We reached out to the company, Four Seasons Tree Service. They told us this has been a very busy spring. That's why they haven't gotten to her trees just yet. They said they're doing everything they said they would do, and they never gave her an exact date for that removal. Rainy weather may have you down, but it's left some drivers going nowhere. Plus, people have different reasons for going to parades.
It's mostly for my wife. She wanted to see it.
Why it also brings back memories for this veteran. And a Central Illinois basketball player didn't play an official game until his freshman year. How many offers he now has on the table.